Plan button. And what the Create Plan does is it creates a plan by turning off randomness and executing essentially one run of the simulation. So we're generating a deterministic sample path. By click on the plus and expand, we can see that the WIP order 1 was constrained, waiting for the finish operation. And it was waiting from by entity, or by order in this case, to by resource. And so let me zoom a little bit out so we can see this. And again, you can scroll, and it gives us information about the resource state. So we can see that the machine was processing here and here. The machine was off shift, so this is the evening after 4 o'clock on Monday. We can also see the constrained entities, and we can see that while the 0002, and if I right click, I have the option to run to here. So when I click on that, it runs the simulation or creates the plan to that point and then shows the animation view. It will generate a work release plan. So for the cut station, we see order 0001 starts at 7 and ends at noon. So detail tab, and for each job it will show for the station the proportion of time spent in setup, processing, teardown, and off shift. So for example, if I go to the finish, estimate the probability of meeting the targets. And so when we run the analyze risk, in this case I ran for 20 replications, and we can see on the markers on the entity workflow view now have our estimates of the probability. Table view, and see my probability estimates in this form also. And so we can see I have several jobs which are problematic. Now we can easily change that. Let's do smallest value first and set that to orders due date, meaning if there's a queue of jobs waiting for this day. So let's say overtime day, and in our overtime day we're going to add a 4-hour work period at the end. So I can do my 7 a.m. 4 hours like we had before,